This is a short presentation of the curriculum in cognitive, social, and economic data analytics. The curriculum prepares data scientists to understand complex issues in cognitive, social, behavioral, and economic sciences, and provides methodologies that allow extracting relevant information from cognitive, behavioral, social, and economics data. This curriculum has to do with issues like prediction of personality, preferences, user behavior, digital marketing, lie detection, cognitive behavioral data and security, the use of machine learning, psychology and neuroimaging application, human-computer interaction, brain-computer interfaces, wearable systems for human biodata acquisition, neural networks and computational modeling of human cognition and behavior. These are just a list of topics which are covered in the curriculum. Just to give you an idea, go back to the so-called Cambridge Analytica data scandal. This scandal, which was on the cover pages of all the newspaper in the world 2 or 3 years ago, was about collecting data from Facebook and trying to predict personality and political orientation of people and voters in US in such a way that only people who were uncertain were targeted by the Trump campaign. Another example is how to improve safe driving. For example, this is a system which can identify emotions from faces and therefore can try to predict and alert a driver about his reaction while driving. The know-how which is required in this field is statistics, machine learning, economics and finance, psychology, which includes the cognitive science, behavioral science, neuroscience, and social science. The student which can benefit from this master degree are the students with a background in cognitive science, economic science, statistics, and computer science, and they should have an attitude to apply computer science and statistics to psychological behavioral problems in general. This curriculum is conceived as multidisciplinary and enables students to handle models which come from statistics and apply them in topics like business, marketing, psychology, cognitive science, neuroscience, and so on. The student will be presented during the curriculum with real-world application in the field and will work on a project and trying to develop their skills in handling this sort of problem. After 2-year program, the student can choose between going into research or apply to companies that require this sort of data, socially oriented data science, data analytics. So the basic knowledge will be acquired on economics, social and behavioral science, and the ability to treat this data using statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and this leads to an excellent placement in the job market. The issues, the topics which will be acquired during this curriculum are mathematics, statistics, computer science, biology, economics, and human and social science. Within computer science, they will develop skill handling, deep learning, vision and cognitive science, knowledge and data mining, human-computer interaction, and they can choose among two courses. This is the organization for the first year. They have to take courses in statistical learning, foundational information systems, stochastic method, machine learning, statistical learning. This is the second semester of the first year, and the second year again it is will cover these topics which are listed here in the first semester, while in the second semester they will work on the project and around having an internship.